What is going on, guys? Welcome back to DJI Tech Today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, a phone camera stabilizer from DJI. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The main aim of this is to have an affordable way to stop you getting shaky footage. So this comes in at the affordable price of $239 Australian dollars, which is a bargain for what it is, considering it stops you having shaky footage without you having to have a camera with built-in stabilization. So I've actually owned this for about 3 months now. This video is coming out very late, I've just been very busy. But I have been using the Osmo Mobile 6 a fair bit for my other YouTube videos that are already out on my channel, and for just some stuff around the house testing it. So there will be lots of shorts coming out about this and some of the shots that I've taken on this. This is a very cool piece of tech, and I love how unshaky it makes my footage. You wouldn't think the footage that I've got is shot on an iPhone. Also, if you love looking at tech and gaming videos, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the ring-a-ling-a-ding bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Inside the sleek box lies the Osmo Mobile 6. It is an amazing piece of tech. It's lightweight, fits in your hands, and charges via USB-C. USB-C is coming a universal standard, so it's really good. All you have to do is download the DJI Mimo app on the App Store or Google Play Store. This app allows you to use all the cool features like Active Track and some of the other special features that you wouldn't get from your phone's normal camera app. The Osmo Mobile 6 connects via Bluetooth and is very seamless, so that you can just pop it out and it connects to your iPhone or Android phone instantly. It creates cinematic and smooth footage, and it's very helpful if you want to create B-roll shots as you're a YouTuber or something like that and you need like stable B-roll, and if you just wanted to create some good home videos or vlogs or stuff like that for a YouTube channel. This is the 6th version of the Osmo Mobile, and it is just incredible at how well it stabilizes your footage. You shouldn't underestimate the power of a good user manual, as this user manual can help you a lot if you're new. It is very straightforward to use. You can easily make different shots. It has a pano feature, a video feature, a photo feature, a hyperlapse feature, a time-lapse feature, a dynamic zoom feature, the slow motion feature, an Instagram stories feature, I think. The list just goes on at the amount of features that this thing has. It's got tons of customization options and supports full 4K 60 frames per second, so your footage will look amazing, and it's just insane at how good of a job DJI has done on this. So that's all I have to say for this quick unboxing video, but I will be making more shorts, and most of my videos are filmed on this now. So make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!